When hearing loss is not identified early, children can experience delays in speech, language learning and social development during the most critical years of brain growth. Hi, my name is Sarah Kalashik and my final year project focuses on continuous support for pediatric hearing loss, inclusive of Down syndrome needs. Our research project explores both the emotional and clinical side of pediatric hearing loss. I conducted secondary research for academic papers, healthcare reports, case studies and current screening technologies. One of the most prominent findings was that delays happen at multiple stages, including lack of parental awareness, referral delays and limited access to testing and follow-up care. I also carried out primary research with audiologists, speech and language therapists, nurses, GPs, parents and individuals with childhood impairment. Clinicians repeatedly highlighted early intervention before 6 months give children the best development outcomes. Parents often described the process as frustrating, emotionally exhausted and confusing. Many felt that the concerns were not listened to early. Listening devices rely heavily on stillness and cooperation, which is challenging for young children. These findings became a major design opportunity for me. How can we create a hearing support system that feels calm, soft, playful, and emotionally reassuring for children and parents? Sketching, prototyping, testing, and feedback, I reached my final design. The device, Lumihear, uses a forehead support strap and a secondary ear stabilizing strap to distribute pressure more comfortably around the child's head. I focused heavily on color, form, language, materiality to create something that feels friendly and calming rather than intimidating. I also designed a connected digital assessment system for clinicians. The interface allows healthcare professionals to monitor assessment progress, visualize hearing response data, review patient histories, and improve communication with the parents. The goal was not to create just a product, but an entire support experience around the pediatric hearing assessment. At the core of the concept is the exploration of laser Doppler photometry technology. Using a low-power laser, the system measured nanometry-scale vibrations of the eardrum in response to sound stimulation. Combined with a miniature camera and automated optical alignment system, the concept aims to accurately locate the thematic membrane and capture objective hearing data without relying heavily on behavioral responses from the child. The technology has potential to provide behavioral equivalent hearing information, support the monitoring of fluctuating middle ear conditions, and improve early identification of hearing difficulties. While further technological validation is required, Lumihear demonstrates how universal design principles and emerging technologies can be combined to create a more accessible, supportive, and child-centered hearing assessment experience for the future.